my rap Cisco. My shot, my spin straight down to disco.
You know we leave him on the campus like Tyson in his heyday. Introduce you to the crazy, show you that we're dangerous. You know, say man a monster, and we don't need no sponsor. Leave him on the campus, take home from the referee. You know you shouldn't shovel, we show you that we're dangerous. You know, say man a monster, and we don't need no sponsor. Warning, warning, you know it's worries in the session anytime that we're performing. Calling, calling, all my real party people are you raving to the morning. Say we ain't got no time for the bad-minded people. We're going to entertain the people. And we ain't got no time for the workers of the nitty-gritty. We come to rock it to the nitty-gritty. You know we keep it wicked when we're in your city. Crafty in your session, that's the full committee. No argument for parliament is loyalty. Is royalty. Quick cuts connect like uppercuts. Tear it up, even 5 hours straight. It's not enough. Call a bluff. If you're feeling like Braveheart, a brave star, it's trying to tear us apart.
It's the one and only Eagle Double G. You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know the West Coast is back for all you suckers. So what's up, man? Put it in there.
Wait, for my niggas who be thinking we soft, we don't play. We gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up, wait. For my niggas who be acting too bold, take a seat. Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey, smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day. Hey. Smoke weed every day.
Looks like that saved you a lot of time.
Huh?
Looks like it saved you a lot of time breaking the law and endangering my life and the life of everyone in the oncoming lane.
No, you were in the middle of
I'm allowed to be in the fucking middle of the lane. State law specifically allows me the right to be in the middle of the goddamn lane, and it affords you the responsibility to take due care towards the lives of others your machine may endanger. You irresponsible, sociopathic, piece of shit human being! Why do you not feel any responsibility towards the lives and safety of other human beings with whom you share a community, sir? Why do you feel moments of your impatience are worth more than other people's fucking safety? You're a piece of shit!
Calm down, buddy.
Don't endanger people's lives with a machine that kills 40,000 people a year! I am allowed to ride in the middle of the fucking lane. It is the safest place. It is a limit, not a goal. It's right there in the fucking name.